Custom-built all-brick one-owner home with 3-car garage. Hard to find 5-bedroom or could be 4-bedroom and use 21 by 18 bonus room for flex space. Split bedroom floor plan with master on main level. Upper level offers 2 bedrooms and full bath, good in-laws quarters if stairs are not a concern. GR with vaulted ceiling and gas fireplace plus formal dining room too. Large eat-in kitchen with center island and all appliances included plus washer/dryer. Exterior painted 2022, deck repainted 2021, new sliding glass door to deck 2021, retractable awning by LJ Stone in spring 2021. Rear yard is your own private escape, separate patio area plus wood deck originally designed for small dog fencing with grassy area. Rear yard extends beyond deck,